All right, let's look at problem 15. Miss McNeil buys 2.4 gallons of gasoline. The total cost is $7.56. The equation, oh good, they gave it to us. That's always nice. That's our key piece of information. Can be used to find the price in dollars of 1 gallon of gas. What is the price of 1 gallon of gas? Well, they told us we can use that equation to find that. So 2.4, I'm just rewriting the equation, equals 7.56. We have a number, 2.4, right next to a letter, so that means you're multiplying. So to get P by itself over here, we have to do the opposite, the inverse operation. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we're going to divide both sides by 2.4. That's going to leave me with just P on the left side, which is nice and easy. And then on the right side, I have to do 2.4 into 7.56, or 7 56/100. Now I want to get rid of my decimal on the outside, so I have to move it over 1 to hide it behind the 4. And if I move it over 1 outside the division sign, I have to move it over 1 inside as well. So this decimal is also going to get moved back 1. So now my decimal is going to be here. I can bring it straight up. And now I'm doing my division, 24 into 75.6. And this answer will tell you what P equals. And you can take this answer and plug it in for P and check. Does this answer times 2.4 give you 7.56? If it does, this answer will check out for you. Okay. Number 16, Crystal is picking blueberries. So far, she's filled 2/3 of her basket, and the blueberries weigh 3/4 pound. The equation 2/3 W equals 3/4 can be used. This is our key piece of information. They gave us the equation, and they can be used to estimate the weight in pounds of the blueberries, about how much will be in the basket when it's full. Well, they gave us the equation to figure that out. 2.3 times, or 2/3 times W equals 3/4. Okay. You have a number, 2/3, right next to a letter, so that means you're multiplying. So we want to do the inverse operation, which would be divide both sides by 2/3. And notice I just wrote the division sign in a different way, but they both mean divide. That cancels out the 2/3 on this side, leaving you with just W on the left side of the equal sign. And then on the right side, you can now do copy, change the division to multiplication, and do the reciprocal of the last fraction to find out what W equals. And then you can also plug your answer into W and do 2/3 times whatever your answer was, and check and see if it equals 3/4. If it does, the answer checks out and you're good. If it doesn't, you've made a mistake somewhere. And just remember, change any improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.